Hey guys, it's Perry Casey Voice and I'm back with another unboxing video today. Really excited about this product. This is a professional chef knife and the knife that I use was literally on its dying day, so I'm super excited about this. So it is Tim's Kitchen Utensils professional chef knife, and let's get right into the unboxing. It's so easy, just literally pop off the lid and it comes so well packaged. A little handheld sharpener, you just put it on your finger, and then I guess cross the blade across it. I will definitely be watching a tutorial before I attempt that myself, but then the knife itself comes in a beautiful case. Super awesome wood grain like appearance on the handle, super nice quality. And then when you take it out, this is beautiful. The blade looks absolutely amazing, and as you can see, it's kind of like engraved almost. It has a pattern on the blade, so really beautiful. There you go. See it perfectly there. Super beautiful, super nice quality, and let's see how it cuts. All right, you guys, and really quick, I'm just gonna show you how well it cuts. So we're just gonna, oh wow. Literally cut through the apple like butter. Barely had to apply any pressure whatsoever. And it's just beautiful, clean cuts. It is not hard to operate the blade at all. And then you just slice. This is amazing, you guys. Not only is it beautiful, it's very functional, and I highly recommend this.